This demonstration we're going to look at group policy preferences. So unlike group policies, group policy preferences aren't mandatory. So what we can do is we can apply things like shortcuts with the group policy preferences, but there's nothing to stop the users from modifying them. So what we're going to do to start with is we're just going to come into our default domain policy. We'll just edit our default domain policy, and what we have here is we have preferences under computer config and also user config. So let's go to the preferences under computer config. We want to create a shortcut on the user's desktop, so we'll go to preferences, Windows settings, and then shortcuts. What we're now going to do is we're now going to create a new shortcut. So click on our little drop down under general, we're going to create. Then what we're going to do is we're going to call this notepad. We want to apply that to all users' desktops. And in the case of our target path, we'll just specify C:\Windows /system32 /notepad.exe. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to come to the common tab because we need to target this against something. We select item level targeting, click our targeting, and then what we'll do is we'll select new item. And in the case of the new item, what we want to do here is we want to do this against computer name. And the computer we want to target this against is going to be our lon-cl1 machine. And then what we'll do is select OK and OK again. Then what we'll also do here is we'll also create a new folder with the group policy preferences. So we'll go to folders. Under folders we'll right click, new, and then folder. And what we want to do here is we just want to create a new folder. So we'll go for create. And then in the case of the path, what we're going to do here is we're just going to specify C:\reports. We'll then target against something, so we'll come to common. What we're going to do here again is we're going to go for item level targeting. Click our targeting tab. What we're going to do is create a new item. This time we're going to go for operating system. Within operating system, we're going to go with Windows 8.1. Then what we'll do is we'll select OK. OK again. We've now created this new folder. Next thing to do is just actually test that all of this works. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to move over to our client machine. On our client machine, all we're going to do here is just come to PowerShell. And then with Windows PowerShell, we'll just do a gp update /force. It's asked us to do log off, so we will do a log off. And then we'll log back in as administrator. We'll now just verify everything's works. So we'll just go to our desktop. And on our desktop, there's our notepad shortcut. And we'll just go into Windows Explorer. And what we should find on the C drive, we should find a folder called reports. And that's the end of this demonstration of using group policy preferences. Thank you.